What is a sales funnel and why is it that everybody seems to be talking about sales funnels in recent years? If you're asking yourself these questions, then you are probably also wondering how a sales funnel can help you to finally start or grow your own business online. In this video, I'm going to explain everything and make you an instant sales funnels expert. So stay tuned. Hi, my name is Joram from succesismade.com and drfunnel.com. Probably just like you, I am an online entrepreneur, and in the last decade, I have tested many different ways to earn income online. And if you are active in the make money online niche, it is inevitable that you hear about sales funnels. In fact, I have found them to be so powerful that I wanted to become an expert. And after many years, I can teach you everything there is to learn about the topic. If you are to believe the gurus, a sales funnel will turn whatever you do online into pure gold, especially if you use any of the expensive tools that these people recommend. Your success is inevitable. But is it? Understanding what a sales funnel is and what it can do for you is crucial, because it is an important tool in your toolbox as an internet marketer. For instance, it identifies those visitors that will likely be your future best customers. It will enable you to reach out to these people over and over again without spending any additional money after the initial investment. And you can serve your customers in the very best way possible by giving them exactly what they need. Of course, this all does not make sense to you right now, but after watching this video, you will be an expert on the topic. And even better, you will know exactly what to do to get started with your very own sales funnel. So let's start with the definition of a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a combination of marketing tools and tactics to identify and filter potential customers out of your traffic. It guides and pushes these people through the different stages of the customer journey towards conversion, with the aim to turn them into loyal, returning customers and fans who advocate for your business. There are a few important elements in this definition. First, a sales funnel allows you to separate the wheat from the chaff, so to speak, so you know which visitors to focus on, contrary to the traditional website that treats every visitor the same. Because you identify these customers, you can follow up after their visit with an offer that is right for that customer in their specific step in the customer journey. This also means that you can invest more in those customers that fit your ideal customer profile and stop spending money on everyone else. The other great thing in this definition is that a great sales funnel is focused on nurturing your customers and giving them exactly what they need at the moment when they need it. So a good sales funnel allows you to sell more to the same customers and makes them so happy that customers become loyal fans, advocating your products or services to others. So to summarize, you understand who your customers are, you serve them better, you sell more to them, you have them come back for more and even sell your products to others. Does that sound like something you need for your business? I bet it does. If you watch until the end of this video, I'll explain the question we raised in the introduction. Why does every marketer seems to be talking about sales funnels? And I will show you the tools that I use to build unlimited sales funnels for less than $1 per day. So stay tuned for that. There are many different types of sales funnels, but there are some standard elements depending on how the visitor enters their journey with you. Let's say that you sell courses and digital products and your ideal customer persona is an online marketer who is trying to make money online. Probably like you as you are watching this video. One visitor is interested in understanding how to become an affiliate marketer and how to make money online. They watch a popular video on YouTube about the topic, and during that video, your ad pops up, offering a free ebook or training on affiliate marketing. They click on the ad and they enter your funnel. You can then offer a really good deal. The best option is to give something away for free. Let's say they land on your page with a free ebook about affiliate marketing. In order to get it, they leave their email address. They receive an email in their inbox with a link to download. And once they have done that, you offer an incredible deal on something that they probably need on their journey. In our example, you could offer a course on how to find the best affiliate offers to promote, to kickstart their journey to become a successful affiliate marketer. If they are not interested at that moment, you can do several things. You can offer the same course for a lower price, or for split payments, or you offer something else but related, such as a guide or a swipe file with your best performing affiliate offers, like a secret black book. If they are still not interested, you can offer it again later by sending them an email a few days later, because you have their email address. If they do decide to buy your course, you can offer them a more expensive course where you add even more value. So now you understand that a sales funnel is not just one thing. As my definition already indicated, it's a combination of different tools and tactics that you can use depending on how you design the customer journey, the market that you're in, your offer, and a lot more elements. It's like a trail of breadcrumbs that attracts your visitors and leads them from one step to the next through their journey. Some marketers, like Russell Brunson, also talk in terms like bait to hook the customer. And some other marketers, like Sabri Subi, call it the magic lantern method, because you guide people through every step of their journey. While you are watching this video, let me know why you need your own sales funnel. Do you have your own existing business, perhaps a physical store, and you want to expand online? Or are you planning to start your own business? Share it with me in the comments below. I read every comment and respond if needed. The different sales funnel stages. There's this classic AIDA model, or AIDA. The A stands for awareness stage, sometimes called discovery stage. This is the stage where you offer education and provide them with value related to their problem. Help them so they can take notice of your business. The I stands for interest stage, sometimes called consideration stage. Now that your target audience knows that they have a problem, they can start doing their research, comparisons, and thinking over their options. They need to consider you as the best solution. You do this with targeted content, articles, emails, testimonials. This customer is in the market, so to speak. Then the D stands for decision stage. The customer is ready to buy and you are on his or her shortlist. It's time to help the customer to make the right decision with an incredible offer that they can't refuse. Then there's the action stage or conversion stage. The customer makes the purchase. So this is the classic AIDA model, and we're adding 2 additional stages to that model. Number 5 is the loyalty stage. You want the customer to return and purchase more so you can keep adding value. You do this with different offers and solutions that increase in value. The ultimate model to keep adding value is with a subscription model, where you have a recurring income stream and you can continuously build on the value. You can also read more in my book, The Value Pillars. At the moment when you have added enough value and you have proven to be the perfect problem solver, you have made a true fan. This is the ultimate goal. Your customer tells their friends and family about you and your solutions. This gives you a reach and an effectiveness beyond anything that you could do through paid marketing. Best sales funnel examples. Here you have a few examples of standard sales funnel designs in the funnel simulator on drfunnel.com. We'll take the example of the lead generation funnel we discussed earlier. First, you have the opt-in page. This is the page where they order their free ebook and leave their email address. Then the customer moves to the sales page with the course about affiliate marketing. Then there are a few upsell pages. And in the end, there is the thank you page, which allows the customer to either download the product or to actually thank them for ordering and purchasing what they did. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, let me know by leaving a like and make sure to subscribe to this channel because I post new videos and content every single week. Thank you for watching. See you next time. To your success. Bye.